Good afternoon, December the 22nd, 2015. I will be out of town until the 30th. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas, and we'll be back to wish you a Happy New Year. We came in today, we caught the market really well. We had our first sell was at 24.26. The high was 24. We had a 10-12 buy. We did say it might take 15s to get into, so there was our buy. And our low was 10.5. And we had that information in our hands before 7 Central Time, and had plenty of time to act with it. Best trade came early. It was this trade right here. It was the biggest trade of the day. I mean, it really got choppy and difficult in here. Retest value. That was a plus trade. Either one of these two S's right here would have led to a loss. This buy was a scratch. This buy, mean green trade right here, make a little. Retest failure, make some. V bottom, V top, V bottom, mean green, make some. And we thought the bias was going to be up all day long, and that's pretty much where it was. So after that first trade right there, things got more than choppy, and they stayed there for a couple hours. And then this afternoon, it's just been buying the breaks. So good information to start off with, enabled us to make a trade from either side that could have been profitable to very profitable, depending on how long you stayed with it. What does tomorrow bring? The tendency into New Year's Eve is a higher close on New Year's Eve. Not 100% guaranteed, but that is the tendency. So a higher low, higher high. This market says find a place to buy it on that particular screen in that filter. Looking at the screen, we had this high here basically in the 30 area. Get through that. 38 is the next stop. Get through that. 41, 42. So 38 to 42 is the next resistance area. Definitely a P. Market is definitely pointed higher. So first sell is going to be in our 34, 36 area, leaning up against that 38. Sell 1 is going to be 42, 45 for sell 2. On the buy, the breakout 24, 26 buy 1, and then 21, 19 buy 2. Lots of news tomorrow. Durable orders minus a half. X transportation unchanged. Personal income, the default plus 0.2. Spending plus 0.3. Might be a little wishful thinking there. Core plus 0.1. New home sales 503. Come in lower than forecast. Be my guess if the recent history is a guide. And then consumer sentiment at 92. So durable orders, X transportation number 1, personal spending number 2, then new home sales and consumer sentiment. So I think it'll swing on durable orders, and this number could come in lower than forecast too. Financials got hit hard. They saw the buying in the E-mini early. Now, how do you see the buying in the E-mini early? Well, all these proprietary trading desks are within shouting distance of each other. If you've gone to the these big trading rooms in large firms, and it's pretty easy for the other desks to figure out that who's buying and who's selling. And that's how it's done. So financials, treasuries, lower high, lower low. Find a place to sell it. If the E-mini rallies, that will be strengthened. And Nancy, well, I'm glad to see the local merchants in your area are glad to see you coming out with such enthusiasm. So on a close right here, 2605, 2606. First sell is going to be the 9 to 13 area. Then we're going to pick up 17 to 21 for sell 2. The buy side headed lower, 29 to 01. And then 21, 25. And looking at the 30-year, similar situation. E-mini continues to sell lower. If the E-mini continues to rally lower. If the E-mini happens to sell, we really don't like the short side of the market. We got this high volume number down here in this 18 to 20 area. We're at 03. Stops below 155, so 29, 25 by 1. And then 21 to 17 by 2, playing on that high volume number. On the sell side, the spill was from 9, so 8 to 12, sell 1. 19 to 23, sell 2. Gold. Inside day trading range, I think that fits for tomorrow. Volume will be less than it was today unless we have a big piece of news, and tomorrow morning we do have some news, but again, well, that'll just kind of add to the volatility and spikes. Yeah, all day long we were looking for gold to be lower. So 74, 76, sell 1. Sell 2, 79 to 81. On the buy side, 68 to 70, let them get stops below 70 by 1. 64, 66 by 2. So basically 65 to 70 is where our buy is. And we like to sell 75s to 80s. Keeping it simple. Crude oil held in there pretty well today. Still looking for convergence to January prices. Higher low, higher high. Find a place to buy it. Wish I believed that. My tendency is to find a place to sell it. So 36.50, 75, sell 1. 37, 37 and a quarter, sell 2. On the buy side, 35.50, 35.75, buy 1. And then 35, 35 and a quarter, buy 2. And the euro, 110, 110.50 is prime sell territory. It's holding in there better. And Chinese yuan devaluation is what has and can take us higher. The market acts like they expect more, so higher low, higher high. Okay to buy it, fail to take out today's highs, okay to sell it. So 110 even, sell 1. 925 or better, sell 2. On the buy side, 950, 960 buy 1, 925 buy 2. And that does it for this December 22nd, 2015. We've had fun this year. Gonna have more fun next year as we all grow as traders. I want to thank each and every one of you for your support and contributions this year. We are most grateful. Time to express gratitude for that, and hopefully we'll help you grow to a more prosperous 2015. Merry Christmas all. See you before the New Year's.